To win at Uno, pay close attention to what your opponents play on their turns. If a player has to draw cards to find a color, it's a sign that they don't have any of that color in their hand. You can also make them draw more cards by playing cards in that color before they get a chance to regroup. You should also try to change up the color on the discard pile as often as you can. That way, if one of your opponents has a lot of cards in the same color, they won't be able to easily get rid of them. On the other hand, if you have a lot of cards in the same color in your hand, try to keep that color on the discard pile for as long as you can. Another strategy is to use your reverse and skip cards to prevent players with a low number of cards from playing. You can play a skip card to skip their turn, or play a reverse card to reverse the direction of gameplay in the opposite direction they're in. Try to hold on to your +2 and +4 cards for as long as you possibly can, so you can use them in an emergency, like when one of your opponents gets down to Uno. You can also hold on to the wild cards until the end of the game, so you can quickly go out without anyone being able to stop you.